Hi everyone, this is Eamon Ibrahim. This is week 6 update with Anita. So how's it going, Anita, so far?
Oh, well, this was my best week.
Okay, we are not on track 100%, but I guess that's normal. Sometimes, I'm not sure what you call it, a cheat day, or once in a while we have an obstacle we have to deal with. But overall, do you think you still can make it to your goal on week 10?
Oh, I think so. Even though I actually gained 3 pounds this week, because I didn't stick to the protocol in a sense. It was a good learning experience.
Exactly.
To see where I am in all of this and how I can make adjustments when unexpected things come up.
That's correct. Because we're still the first 10 weeks we're still there, right?
Mm-hmm.
So it's okay to do some mistakes. We're not following the 100%. But do you think so far did you learn something new today, or that you can apply coming week?
Oh, absolutely. I mean, even today, what we learned in our program today, it just gives me more incentive to think outside the box.
Yes.
And I don't have to be losing a certain amount every week in order for this to be a success.
That's
because
right.
I'm learning something as I go along every step of the way.
That's right. Okay, so hopefully next week we'll have a follow-up interview and see some progress.
I think so.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Thank you.